Good day for everything. My name is Maria Paula Calderón Castillo. I am 20 years old and I study sociology at UNAD. I also work as a commercial consultant at Open English. I live in Bogotá, Colombia. My favorite hobby is dancing and reading, but mainly I like to be with my son. I live with my son, my stepson, and my husband. My favorite sport is swimming, and my favorite TV show is Doctor House. The topic I choose is a daily routine. So usually I get up at 8, but sometimes I get up at 11 o'clock because I work until very late, so I will depend if I am really tired. When I get up, I breakfast eggs with bread and chocolate or coffee. Then I wake up my son to have breakfast too. I am with him some hours. Then I take a shower and make lunch. And at 1:15 I am going to work and I leave my son with my aunt. I start my work at the 3 p.m. I work in sales call center, so I do answer calls. I go to break at 6 or 7. I lunch or dinner. I have 30 minutes to eat and then back to work. I leave my job at the 11 at the night, but I have a road that takes me home. Finally, I get up at 12:20 early morning. I eat coffee with bread and start to study until 2 or 3 at the morning, and after I go to sleep. Thank you.